Teamnest portal, this is the screen that you'll be seeing. Over here, when you go into the employee section, there you'll be able to see the timesheet module. Now, timesheet module is where you can record and monitor the productivity of your employees. So, whatever work the employees have done throughout the day, they can bifurcate it into hours and they can update it in the timesheet task. So, they can record a task by clicking on the record a task button. Over here, they can mention the date, the start time, and the end time. So, supposingly, if an employee was working on three projects today, say project A, B, and C. So, if they were working on the project A for from 9 a.m. till 12 p.m., so they will mention that start time is from 9 a.m. till 12 p.m. and they can update the buckets like under which project they were working, so they can mention the project name, assignment, under which phase they were working. So for example, they were work on the development phase, they can mention the description whatever work they have done in those 3 to 4 hours. They can even upload the supporting documents and they can submit. So whenever they submit this timesheet task, it will go to their concerned manager for the approval. So by the end of the day, whatever work each team member has done, it will be updated to the manager. So the manager knows what work each team member has done. And similarly, they'll be creating multiple timesheet tasks for the same day if they were working on multiple projects. So as per the work done, they can create a single or multiple timesheet task as per the requirement. So this is regarding the timesheet. So whatever timesheets the employees have submitted, they can then select and send for approvals. So they can mention the start date, end date, and they can apply the filter and they can submit for approvals. So and whatever is the status of the various timesheet tasks that they have sent up till now, they can view it over here. Whether it is approved, pending, cancelled, rejected, what is the status of the various timesheet tasks that they have sent for approval, they can view it from here. So this is regarding the timesheet module of the Teamnest portal.